Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Like I was saying, guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Thank you so much for always coming back. So today, it's yet another work day. Just working my life away. So my next goal is to actually retire from this job and never work again. So I need to start a business. Need a project. Finally, I'm at work. This is my computer bag. This is my secret. So let's go spend another day working away. Yeah, so guys, it's currently 9:55. I've been working late, just like the IT job description is. You gotta work late. You gotta do what you gotta do, man, to get the job done. Now I'm heading home at 9:55. Crazy. This is crazy. When duty calls. Yeah, guys. This is the life of an ICT technician. Yep. I've been up and down, but at least, guys, you can see, even if the fuel prices are high, the gas tank is full, man. Thank God the tank is full. That's what we thank God for. The tank is full. Yep. That's the title of the video. The tank is full. The work is a lot, but the tank is full. And the bank is big. Let's go.